I'm going to run through some terminology that you need to know when you're getting ready to do graphing. The first is, these are quadrants, and you need to know that this quadrant is 1. This is a Roman numeral 1. This quadrant is Roman numeral 2. This quadrant is Roman numeral 3. And this quadrant is 4. And if it's easier, then you can just say 1, 2, 3, 4. Commit that to memory. You need to know it, because you will get questions about what quadrant a line or a point ends up in. And say you've got 3, 3, which would look like this. 3, 3. Then you've got 1, 2, 3 on the X line, 1, 2, 3 on the Y. That point is in quadrant 1. If it were 3, negative 3, then again, you go X line, 1, 2, 3, and then down into negative territory, 1, 2, 3. This point would be in quadrant 4. Makes a difference. And let's do one more just to see. If we had negative 3, negative 3, then we're going to go down or over to the left on the X line, 1, 2, 3, and down. 1, 2, 3, which is right in the middle of this 3. Sorry about that. And that point is in quadrant 3. And you've got I've got a nice reflection right in the center of that. Oh, well, that's okay. All right. So memorize the quadrants. It starts in the upper right-hand corner. This quadrant is 1. It is positive because this line is positive and this line is positive. In quadrant 2, this line is positive, this line is negative. In quadrant 3, negative, negative. In quadrant 4, negative, positive. Important to know. It's just something you're going to commit to memory. Isn't this awesome? I love this eraser and these boards. All right. Lastly, always know this line is X. This line is Y. And again, I've got a smear right in between them. Let's move it. There we go. So this is X, both directions forever. This is Y, both directions forever. Now, one other thing I want you to know when you're looking at coordinates and lines, a line that goes this direction is positive. And remember, a line goes forever. So even if you only had a couple points on the line, like in this case, you had 2, positive 2, 4, positive 4. If those were your 2 points and you drew your line, it would look something like that. But remember, it keeps going forever, right off the page. And it keeps going forever. And this is freehand, so it's not a perfectly straight line, but you get the drift. It just keeps going forever. When a line faces or points this direction, it's positive. If a line goes this direction, it's negative. This is a positive line. One that goes the opposite way, I don't like this one because it's too close to the 0. One that goes this way is negative. So just another thing to commit to memory.